with. Live with joy inside your heart.
Mini Manny. The Icematic.
This clever daughter of mine, I'm so happy to see you into technology and science!
That's cool of you to say, Daddy. They really care about science and technology on the pink planet, too. They always invent new things all the time.
Oh, this is a crucial subject. It's the same here on Earth, you know.
That's right, Daddy. We also always conduct research and invent new tools. But I want to do something else, though. Something different. Just like the technology on the pink planet.
Neşe!
I'm in here, Mutlu.
Come on! It's time to play outside!
I can't come now, Mutlu. I'm working on an important tool.
What are you working on?
A brand new invention, an Icematic. It'll transform any spot I want to ice.
That sounds awesome!
You mock! Well done, boy.
I'm ready for duty.
Duty, huh?
I will help you with your new invention, of course. Experiment flask, tools, and some screws. All my stuff comes in handy.
Whatever. Come over here.
Minnie, look over here. 2 shopalots have landed on Earth.
Oh my, where?
Right on top of Neşe's garden.
We need to warn Neşe. You mock! Stop already! We're working on something very important here.
I think he wants to go out, sis. This time I know it's gonna happen.
I hope so, Mutlu.
You look pretty funny, sis.
You too.
I've been calling Neşe for hours. She's not answering.
Get us to Earth immediately.
I'm doing that, Minnie.
And we should keep calling Neşe. At last, it's finally time to test this thing.
Let's do this already. Hit the button. Hit it.
Uh-oh. You mock, what are you doing up there?
You naughty, naughty puppy, Yumak. How did you climb up there?
Don't worry, you mock. I'll get you down from there. Okay, now come to my lab.
Be real careful, Neşe.
There, we're on the ground. I can't right now, you mock. The Icematic is ready. We must test it.
Come on, Neşe. Work it already.
Uh-oh. It doesn't work.
Well then just try again.
I can't control the thing.
Hey, sis, you did it. At last it finally
Mutlu, I'm sorry. What have I done? What am I supposed to do now? I Manny, something terrible happened.
Oh, we are too late, Manny.
Neşe, you have to use the medallion to take the Shopalots under your control, and hurry!
Shopalots, what? What about them? I wasn't even talking about them. What? Now when did you get here, huh? Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Come to me, I command you, the beam power. You can't run from me, you idiots! Oh, I just can't catch them!
Neşe, we are on our way to Earth, so hang in there, okay?
I can't catch them! They're too fast! They move a lot!
Use a stabilizer! Neşe, you gotta lock the beam power onto the target so that even if they run, you can catch them.
All right, Manny, I'll give it another go. Now I'll catch you, you idiot! Time to feel my power! That's it right there! Now it's your turn, pal! Huh? Now shrink, you silly rabbits! Huh? I don't get it. Why won't you shrink? You should be smaller by now. How's this possible? Am I not using it right? Okay, you guys. I'm in terrible trouble.
What's going on, Neşe?
The medallion's beam power has no effect on the Shopalots.
They grew resistant to the beam. They got used to the pink planet beam and adapted. That's why it has no effect on them any longer.
So what am I supposed to do now?
Stall them as long as you can. We're almost there.
Stay away from my brother! Here we go! Take that! Where are you going? Come back here! I will increase the beam power and try again. Pray it'll work this time. And now beam power! Come back here! Now is the time for you to shrink, you loser! But how is this possible? A tree shopalot shouldn't be able to feed on the pink planet's beam! No, stop! Stop! Don't you do any harm to our house! I cannot let that happen! Haha! The Icematic is working! Hey! You air shopalot! Wanna say hello to my Icematic? That'll keep you in line.
Oh, tell me what happened here. Ugh, it's horrendously cold.
Oh, you caught the Shopalots inside a block of ice.
But how's that possible? The medallion doesn't have such power.
The Icematic, my very own invention. I mean, mine and my brave brother Mutlu's.
Mutlu?
Well, we still have to work some kinks out with that one. So by any chance, can you save Mutlu?
Nothing to worry about. This is what I do.
It's working, Neşe! At last we did it! Huh?
Congratulations, Mutlu. You and Neşe invented something we'll be talking about for ages. Thanks to you, the Shopalots are captured.
Someone gonna tell me what happened?
Haha! I locked the Shopalots inside the bowl. They couldn't escape if they wanted to.
Don't you worry. If they do escape, we can catch them with our very own, the Icematic.
I'm upgrading the medallion for you, Neşe, so you won't have the same problem ever again.
That's amazing of you, Minnie.
Yoo-hoo! Those coward Shopalots! I'll get them all! All of them, you hear?
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with